Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then let's scroll down to find additional settings. Now we have to tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using automatic options. So first of all we have to turn off all of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping we can change it. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and confirm it. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. We can change the time zone also, just tap on it, tap on the region. And here we've been transferred to the full list. Of course, you can enter the name of it. And after finding, just tap. So for example, this one. You can again pick the from available options, so for example this one, and it will be immediately set, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, that time will also change according to it. Here we've got the time format. Currently it is the automatic option, but we can set 24-hour or 12-hour format. It's up to you. I will pick this one, for example. We've got also the dual clock option. You can turn it on or off just by using the switcher, and basically it means that you will have two different clocks. The one will display the time from the place of your current residence, and the second from any other place in the world, around the world, so of course of your choice. So it's up to you. If you want to, you can always go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.